Hey guys, Doran here with your daily music picks for June 17th. First thing we've got is a Central Park Summer Stage free showcase. It's Groove Theory, Soul Live, Black Thought, Questlove, Rozelle. Some of the biggest names in R&B, soul, and hip hop are all coming out to Central Park. You're gonna like it. Check it out. The next thing we've got is Papa. American soul meets punk rock music in the form of Papa. They're playing at 6:30 p.m. at Mercury Lounge, and it's going to be a great show for anybody who enjoys soul or punk or the combination of the two. Get on it. And the final thing we've got for the night is the Smoke Jazz Big Band. Smoke Big Band is a band that plays at Smoke Club, and they play classic tunes from Basie, Ellington, all of your favorite jazz standards. Definitely go check it out. They're playing at 7, 9, and 10:30 at Smoke. That's what we got for you on Monday. For any additional information, please check the full listings on StageBuddy.com, and have a great night.